Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Starbucks going 2 miles. I just parked and they're giving me an add-on. Looks like it's going like 200 feet. It's pretty much the same street from what I could tell.
They're both just one drink, so.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Ooh. Yeah, one of them was a no tip, and I'm pretty positive it was that first one. Total for those was $7 and change. And got this stack right away. This is McDonald's. I think it's actually going to the same person. They might have ordered twice, but this is going just under 6 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. Total for that one was just under $11. Not bad. And got this right away. It is a Starbucks. $7 going 3 miles. Ooh. Just pulling up to Starbucks and I got a notification saying a past customer added a $1 tip to a McDonald's order.
There you go, right here.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. Morning.
Hello.
I needed a number.
15.
15. Perfect. There you are.
All right. Thank you very much.
Have a good day. This one's probably a mistake, but doing it anyways. Got a Wendy's going 7 miles, and it's taking me somewhere I don't want to be.
Hi, may I help you?
Good morning.
Morning.
Can I have you park forward out on the front door?
Gotta love Wendy's. We love Wendy's over here.
Is that?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Aiden. Yep. Have a good day. Total for that was $10. Not worth my time. Got this as I was walking back to my car. This is a Starbucks going 2 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was just under $6, and this one just came in. This is a McDonald's going about 3 miles. Total for that one was $6 and change. Not terrible. It didn't take very long at all. But let me pause all the apps and head back into my zone. Well, this is technically still my zone, but it shouldn't be. It really should not be. The only reason this is part of my zone is because my zone feeds into it. It is way too small and there's not enough orders to sustain itself, so they just slapped it on top of mine. All right, made it back into my zone and just got this order. This is a Taco Bell. I think it said it was going 4 miles. Whoa. Almost died.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. I saw 10 items on this order and I got a little worried, but then I realized it's Taco Bell. 9 of those are sauce packets. Total for that one was $7 and got this right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 6 miles, only 1 item.
Sweet. It's probably quick, dude.
Yeah. Yep, just that. Next order up is a Chick-fil-A going 4.5 miles.
Here's this for you.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Total for that one was just under $10. Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $7 going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Next up, got a Seize the Bagel going 4 miles.
You said not you.
Thank you.
Aw, you shouldn't have. That was a no tip. Total for that was just under $5. Okay, I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 9:19. Current total is 85. And I think just waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to right around 90. That's gonna be it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.